everyone. This is Nature's Blossom Sow and Grow, the Seed Starter Kit. It is amazing! And you can actually grow Poinsett 76 cucumbers, red tomatoes, as well as Simpson lettuce, as well as sparkler radish. Look at this! Okay, so this is the cucumber, the tomato, the lettuce, and the radish, and it's everything you need for an heirloom salad. And again, that's Nature's Blossom Sow and Grow Seed Starter Kit. But let me show you the back. It says this kit contains a peat soil disc, and it has 4 of those, 4 biodegradable growing pots, 4 plant markers, an instruction manual, then your seeds. You have 1 packet of cucumbers, the Poinsett 76 cucumbers, 1 pack of red tomato seeds, 1 pack of Simpson lettuce seeds, and 1 pack of sparkler radish. So this is an amazing kit. This is everything that you need to have a heirloom salad, and it's really neat. Your kids can watch it grow. You can experience stress relief looking at your salad grow, and this is money you do not have to spend. So check it out. Nature's Blossom is on Amazon. Just search for Nature's Blossom Sow and Grow, or just click the link below and you can get more information from Weekends Count. Hope you're having a great day, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.